Nicole and Caitlin's Cinnamon Challenge. No. What is that? Right. I'm not smart. Hell, you gotta get more than that. This is making a mess. Okay, you guys. No. Okay, here we go. I'm scared. Okay, ready? 1.
Just go.
1, 2, 3. It's burning my mouth. I can't make my tongue. Oh.
I don't need it.
It's stuck to the top of my mouth. I can't get it out. It's stuck to the top of my mouth. I can't breathe. Heck no. That was an epic fail.
You suck at this.
Okay, then let's do a take 2. Let's see how long she can actually keep it in. Let's see how long you can keep it in.
No.
Okay, Caitlin's gonna do it again. And we're gonna count how long she can keep it in. Since I can't. Here you go. Try to swallow it. That's what you're supposed to do. Try to. My shirt's fucking wet. Huh? Ugh. Caitlin! Look what you just did! You just blew that stuff everywhere! Look at my shirt! Oh my gosh! Here, this is ew. Okay, we're done with this. This was an epic fail. We should just keep stuffing it in your mouth. Like, see how much we can put in your mouth. Let's do it.
No.
Come on.
Fuck no.
Why not? That's gonna be fun.
My mouth is hot.
Here.
No, I'm tired of it.
Oh my gosh. It sticks to the top of your mouth. Are you done? No. Look, Caleb. Let me squirt it in your mouth. Here.
You must really want me to die. That's good, damn. I did it twice.
Here.
You didn't do it for once. You put the alcohol after. You're good.
Alright, you ready? Where are you going? Come here.
We're all going.
You gotta stand in this.
That is not enough.
I ain't putting no more.
Do you know how big mine
Do you know how bad I can
Okay,
breathe?
hurry up. Look, I spit it everywhere on the window and everything.
It's everywhere. Okay, ready? Kaylin, you can't leave.
I'm not leaving.
Come over here.
Just do
You
it.
can't leave.
Just do it.
Get
I'm
in.
standing right
No,
here.
you gotta come right here.
Do it, Nicole. It's not even that bad.
It really is, because I couldn't breathe. Like, my breath, like, it was stuck to the top of my mouth.
Yeah, well, you're wasting my time.
Okay, well, stand over here with me. Well, here, you do it again.
How many times do you want me to do it?
Just do it one more
No,
time.
I'm done.
Then I'm not doing it.
Do it. I did it
Well,
twice.
then come over here.
Oh my God, Nicole. No. We should do it at the same time.
Okay, let's do it. Okay.
No, I'm not doing it.
Let's just do it.
No.
Caitlin, come on.
I'm leaving.
Okay.